These two lasers are exactly the same, except for divergence, a huge part of your laser's brightness. These are two cyan laser pointers, which have a focusable lens on the front, allowing you to increase or decrease the divergence. It also lets you focus them down to be able to etch stuff, but that's beside the point. Divergence is basically beam angle, but because laser's beam angle is so small, we measure it in milliradians. 1 mrad is 1 meter at 1 kilometer, ignoring the initial beam size. The general baseline for laser show is about 1 milliradian. Anything tighter is a higher quality system, but it maxes out about 0.4 mrad with OPSL heads for high power laser shows. A tighter beam like this one means your output will be sharper, have a higher power density, and look more like an actual laser. Unfortunately, because most people don't have an easy way to check their divergence, many manufacturers misleadingly put 1 mrad because they assume you're not going to check. Well, unfortunately for them, there's some competing systems we have checked that were labeled 1 mrad that were actually like 2.5, but I digress. A bad divergence will mean you're throwing brightness away and make you think you need a more powerful laser than you might actually need. Luckily, it's never been easier to check the divergence of your laser beams with our new beam analyzer. Check our other video out for that. I'm not going to tell you that you always need to buy the best divergence, but it's important you see the difference so you make an informed choice when you choose to buy. If it was me, I'd want my laser to look like an actual laser. I guess unless it was a beam brush.
What is that noise again?
Who's chasing who?
Isn't that always a question?
Fun, we're having fun. Ooh, look at that, it's changing colors almost.